In this video, we will introduce the prep for TOGAF OGEA-103 exam, strategic preparation for enterprise architecture success. TOGAF Enterprise Architecture Combined Part 1 and Part 2. OGEA-103 exam format and key details. TOGAF exam topics. Best tips to prepare for the OGEA-103 exam. 1. What is presented as striking a balance between positive and negative outcomes resulting from the realization of either opportunities or threats? A. Agile development. B. Architecture security. C. Transition management. D. Risk management. 2. What is used to structure architectural information in an orderly way so that it can be processed to meet stakeholder needs? A. A stakeholder map. B. An architecture framework. C. Content metamodel. D. An EA library. 3. What does the TOGAF Admiral recommend for use in developing an architecture vision document? A. Requirements management. B. Architecture principles. C. Gap analysis. D. Business scenarios. 4. Which of the following best describes purpose of the business scenarios? A. To identify risk when implementing an architecture project. B. To identify and understand requirements. C. To catch errors in a project architecture early. D. To guide decision-making throughout the enterprise. 5. Which of the following is a responsibility of an architecture board? A. Conducting assessments of the maturity level of architecture discipline within the organization. B. Allocating resources for architecture projects. C. Creating the statement of architecture work. D. Establishing targets for reuse of components. 6. Complete the sentence. The TOGAF standard covers the development of 4 architecture domains: business, data, technology and blank. A. Segment. B. Transition. C. Capability. D. Application. 7. What can architects present to stakeholders to extract hidden agendas, principles, and requirements that could impact the final target architecture? A. Solutions and applications. B. Alternatives and trade-offs. C. Business scenarios and business models. D. Architecture views and architecture. 8. Which of the following best describes the need for the Admiral process to be governed? A. To enable development of reference architectures. B. To verify that the method is being applied correctly. C. To enable a fast response to market changes. D. To permit the architecture domains to be integrated. 9. Which of the following are the 4 purposes that typically frame the planning horizon, depth and breadth of an architecture project, and the contents of the EA repository? A. General foundational subordinate and superior architecture. B. Segment, capability. Enterprise and end-to-end target architecture. C. Avant-garde Big Bang, discrete and cohesive. D. Strategy portfolio project solution delivery. 10. Which of the following does the TOGAF standard describe as a package of functionality defined to meet business needs across an organization? A. An application. B. A deliverable. C. A solution architecture. D. A building block. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.